Same thing on the other side. Pop up. As you boys and girls can see, there's no bolt here, right? But we don't get paid to make observations, right? We're going to put the seat all the way forward so that we have clear butt naked access to those back bolts as well. Alrighty. Do the same thing. Pop up, slide it out. That one we didn't even need to pop. Now let's head back here. Set this way back to get you final bolt. Because again, there is no fourth bolt on this. All right, let's get a look at these wires. Pull back. So look, see that? This one, you pull it down and it unhooks. This one is a press down. Yeah. This one is a press down. And look, all the way disconnected. All right. We're just gonna waddle that thing up out of there and just turn it, pick it up, and she's right out. All right, let's take this on over here. Let's put it in. Okay. Now just rotate. Okay. Now we lean her back. Now let's see. She should have the same plugs as the other one had, right? You went in here. All right, so you see that one? Clicks in. This one went up there, I know that already. Oh wait, hang on guys. It looks like, what, some of these still have their plugs or something? Yeah, this one sure does. So you come out. You were pressed down. So they didn't disconnect these, they just cut them or rip the wires out, it looks like. So you could actually sit on the ground. So you went in there, right? Click. You went in here. Click. And you went all the way up here. Let me see, what, like this. Click. Okay. Now let's test it. See that? It's working. All right, let's lay her down, scoot her back. Yeah, that's good money. All right. Let's actually screw her back a little further. Okay. There she goes. So it was one screw up front. We're gonna put it in the exact spot it was already in. We're just gonna start it, not tighten her all the way down. And then let's move it up. That's that. That's that. Okay. Remember, we gotta snug that down all the way now. And then let's be proactive and see if we have a bolt that'll fit in there. Wait, I think this time it really is a 17. Yep, it is. did what it had to do. We'll slide you in, click you down. There you go. So that worked out. Worked out well, in fact.